Howdy, and what I'm going to show you in this video in my Newb Misadventures with the Beetle is first, reasons why you should check and probably clean or replace your oil screen, since these cars don't come with oil filters. I'm also going to be testing my fuel line that runs from the rear of the car to the front and hope it still works, because since I've been able to get the engine running now, I'd like to find out why two different previous owners ran completely separate lines going along the floor pan to get fuel to the engine. And with that, I'm gonna also start putting the exhaust back on and try and get everything else buttoned up in preparation for putting the body back onto the chassis. So let's get to it. So I came prepared. I bought a new screen. They're not that expensive. This was like $7. Bought a new gasket set. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. I think that was a few bucks also. But let's get to removing. This is why you check everything. Not sure if it's going to focus, but as you can see, you can't see through that. That's garbage. It's toast. With that, right there, they also had mangled this before. What I don't get, I think this was all clogged up because when I took the intake apart on this car, I had found sawdust in this intake. Why? I don't know. But there was sawdust. And I wasn't the only person who had ever tried to start this car. So that appeared to just get sucked up into the oil. The oil that I took out of it just recently was pitch black. I poured it in all of 5 minutes of runtime, if that. So pretty sure it wasn't getting cycled or cleaned or something. I don't know. But this thing was beat to shit. So we're going to remove the old gasket and throw the new one on. Let's get this shit done. Shiny and clean again. So next up, we're going to install these little clips. They're for the little control valves and, for the heaters and such. Then we're going to install the exhaust. So let's get that done. Battery died while I was getting the exhaust put on. Exhaust is on with some learner mistakes along the way. Now I'm gonna button down the little intake warmer thingy-majiggers. I think that's about it. Oh, I also have to hook up the heater cables and try and start the car running from the front fuel line. So I'm hoping that the fuel line is good running through the tunnel. So let's get it done. Well, here's a quick closeout to this video. I'm going to be using this interior, exterior, liquid nails. Dries a little soft in my experience, but it'll work for what I'm about to do, which is get the gasket, the body gasket in place. Just had to cut it up to fit. Would have been probably nicer to order something that, you know, actually fit proper, but I'll get over it. So yeah, quick little edit. I use this to attach the rubber to the floor pan. Just did like 4 or 5 spots along the whole way, and it appears to hold pretty well, so that's what I used, like $5 at Lowe's. Yeah, anyway. So in the next video, should finally be putting the body on. If not, well, you'll find out in the next video. Anyway, have fun. Bye-bye.